What's up guys, we're Mickey here, and today we're not working on a BMW 335i, we're picking up a project car, guys. And yes, I got a new car. I purchased a old, well, I don't want to give too much away, but it's an old project car that needs a lot of work done to it. But the only thing I'm going to say, the only hint I'm giving you guys, it's a Japanese car. So make sure you guys drop a little comment thinking what you guys think it is, because I'm planning to track it, turbo it, rebuild it from bottom to top, literally anything you can imagine I'm going to do to that car, because it's super cheap. That's another hint, and it's good fun really to take on track. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and let's go get my new car. So guys, this is your boy Mickey, and this is my new car.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, low key and stand candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones and clouds of bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind, thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in life.
Y'all, I got a little jap, drifting VTEC. No, I'm joking. I got MX-5, guys. Mazda MX-5 1.6, and as you can see, it's in amazing condition. Look at that front lights, number plates, splitter, best condition that you can imagine. Come to the side. You can have a Beamer, you can have an Audi RS3, but you ain't got Daisy alloys, have you? Anyway, guys, I bought Mazda 1.6 MX-5 and literally needs a full restoration. I'm planning to do rust repairs, turbo the car, everything from underneath to up top. Everything's getting changed, everything's going to look nice, going to paint the car, going to literally restore the whole thing on this bare drive. Everything's happening. I ain't going to stop with the BMW content, that's still going to be coming out. But I wanted something cheap, fun, to take around the track and literally just destroy. And picked this up really cheap, and this could be really, really good fun. So if you guys have any comments or any ideas, please drop them down. But the next video we're going to be removing all the interior, checking the whole car for rust and stuff. That's a silly question because I know it's got rust. The seals underneath, and so make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification because the next video is going to be good. We're going to try to start it. We're also going to check the compression test. It might need a new engine. I've got the kit coming, and literally it's going to be probably stripped to bare metal, I don't know, but fuck it, I got a Japanese MX-5, that's what matters.